Hi, I'm Dan with Cali Raised, and today we're going to show you how to install the hidden light bar for the 2025 and up Toyota 4Runner. Before we get started, we're going to go ahead and go over all the hardware and tools we're going to need for this install. 5mm Allen wrench, a 10mm socket and ratchet wrench, a 1/4 inch washer, a M6 socket head bolt, the driver and passenger light bar brackets. So the first step you're going to do is remove the bumper on the 4Runner. We're going to link a video in how to do that in the description. Next, we're going to install this bracket back onto the truck, and we'll show you the order which to do that. So you're going to put the bracket onto the frame of the truck like this. You're going to reinstall the inside bolts. And if you already have this installed, you're going to want to remove the 2 outside bolts. Next, we're going to install the passenger bracket on the vehicle. So next, you're going to place the bracket onto the frame of the vehicle, install one of the M6 bolts, and do the same thing with the included socket head bolt. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten these down. Next, we're going to install the driver bracket. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove this bracket. Next, you're going to install the bracket by bringing it behind this line and then setting it onto the frame. And then we're going to place this bracket back on top. And insert this bolt. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten these 2 bolts down. Next, we're going to install the 32-inch slim light bar into the truck. Remember to use the included hardware. For reference, these are the bolts and washers we will be using. And we'll do the same thing to the other side. Next, you're going to want to route your wire either up in front of the cowling or behind it, and then you're going to tighten down the bolts for the light bar. And we're going to go ahead and tighten down the opposite side as well. Now that we have the light bar installed on the truck, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the front bumper. And that's how you install the hidden light bar on the 2025 and up Toyota 4Runner. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Cali Raised LED's YouTube channel, and checking out more products like these on caliraisedled.com.